Is Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening, freezing, or crashing when you try to open a PDF? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to repair Adobe Acrobat without completely reinstalling it. First, open Windows Settings. Now, click Apps from the left panel. Next, click Installed Apps. In the search box, type Adobe Acrobat. Find Adobe Acrobat in the list, then click the three dots next to it. Now, select Modify. The Adobe Acrobat Setup window will appear. Click Next. Here, you'll see several options. Select Repair, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Adobe Acrobat will now repair its installation and replace corrupted or damaged program files. Once the repair is complete, open Adobe Acrobat again and check if the problem is fixed. That's it. If Adobe Acrobat was not opening, freezing, or crashing, this simple repair method may fix the problem without requiring a complete reinstall. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is having problems with Adobe Acrobat.